Hi guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. I just received another parcel from the G market. This bag I ordered for how to say, for less than 5 US dollar. I ordered this bag online. This is a bag. It's a very simple bag where I can put my books. If you don't know, I have joined a Korean language course. So let's open it up and then let's see. Upcoming video I will be making on stand. I mean because I'm just holding the cam with my hand. Oh yeah. So here's the bag. Can you see what it has written? Can anyone see? Keep calm and carry on. So it's basically mean whatever happened in life, do not take any stress. Just try to work hard. Whether you have a job, do not worry, you will get a job. Whether you want to be successful, just work hard, keep calm and carry on. It's a quite nice bag. Now let me open it from here. It says made in China, but I bought it from Korea. This is unfair, right? Why it's made in China when I bought it from Korea? I mean, let me check it out. I'm just enjoying the bag. It's quite nice bag. Let me take it from this now out. It's a good quality bag. If you don't know, a few days ago I bought another bag. This is my main bag using. Just to put my stuff inside my file, and this is I will be using for carrying extra stuff if I have to. The quality is really good for $5. In some stuff Korea is cheap, in some stuff Korea is expensive. So I'm including the link in the description box below. So make sure to check it out and then now subscribe to my channel. It's me, Ramay. In upcoming days I'm going to do a how to make a living in Korea video. So I hope that will make you understand how to earn the money in Korea. Now subscribe to my channel. It's me, Ramay. Bye bye. Keep calm, carry on. Life isn't that sweet.